So what should we do today? Should we go and look around the factory? What? Okay, you want to stamp your arm? Alright, what does your arm say now? Alright, let's go. I think that should be enough. Hey, not on my leather top. Don't do that. Okay, let's go. Take your gun. Take your gun, please. Let's go.
I found any of here.
Yeah, what is that?
I found any of them at the house.
Yeah, they're handles. They're in our cabinets.
Put them in here. What are they for?
They are to put on top of the cabinet so you can open the cabinet. Cabinet is like this thing you put your stuff in. Come here, let's go this way. So what are we doing here then? Okay, we can chill. Should I turn the lights on? There you go. He's turning the lights on. Should we go and have a look what's happening in the... You forgot your gun again. Yeah, let's go. इसको ना शम्स को पिक्चर भेजते हैं इसकी ताकि इसकी क्या उसकी क्या इनपुट है नुकसान है। हाँ जी दिस पे जी सिंगल सीट
वो जो नया दूसरा गोल्डन वाला
हाँ हाँ ठीक नहीं बस ठीक है मैं वैसे ही वीडियो बना इसको किसी ने पसंद किया है एलसीडी को? अगर हो ना तो इसको बुक कर लें क्योंकि ये फिर बन जाएगी ना और शीट पूरी पड़ी हुई है हमारे पास। दूसरा मेरा ख्याल है वो बाबर साहब की मिसेस को ये पसंद भी नहीं आई। कहती है पेंट में कुछ करके दो वो भी ठीक है। You want to see the more furniture or do you want to go home? Yeah, you want that. Chalo. Sofa. Yeah. Yeah. Check this one out. You like it? Yeah, 2 people can fit here. Sure, I can sit with you. What do you think? Here we go?
Yeah, I think so.
Should we tell Mama about the whole thing?